guys, so today I'm going to be showing you two different methods I use to clean my microfiber kitchen chairs. I hear this question all the time from moms all over wondering how to get these pesky stains out. So if you want to know how, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first method that we use is the cheap method, and it's just Windex and a scrub brush with tough bristles. All I do is spray the crap out of the chair, make sure that it's really saturated, and then I just scrub. It's not 100% foolproof. It's not going to look absolutely perfect, but it will look loads better than it did before. So when it dries, you'll be able to see a huge difference.
Alright, for the second method, I'm using the Bissell Positively Clean Yikes Compact Cleaner Model 1425E. I'm pointing at the hot water indicator light, which hasn't come on yet. I bought this from PetSmart for about $130 back in the day, but you could probably get it on Amazon for $60 to $70 now. It's originally used for pet stains, but I pretty much use it for anything. And a few seconds here, then there it is right there. The hot water indicator light is on, which means it's going to deliver continuous hot water. It has a very large spray surface area, so which is awesome for, whatever stains you're trying to clean up. Inside of it, I'm using a Rug Doctor solution. Pretty much anything that doesn't foam up in the machine you can use. I like this method because there are some people and children that have ammonia sensitivities, and honestly this method is great because it dries faster. Obviously, as you spray on the solution, the vacuum will instantly soak it up, so you know that you're getting a good clean because the all of the soils and dirt is being vacuumed back up.
All right, so here are our now clean microfiber chairs. So obviously the Bissell one did better other than our acrylic paint stains. If anyone knows how to get acrylic out of microfiber, let me know because I've yet to figure that one out. This is the one with the Windex. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it looks a heck of a lot better than it did. If you want to continue to go, you can spray it more, scrub it more. I just didn't scrub it forever. Obviously that's an elbow grease thing. So if you put a lot of effort into it, the better it will look. I just didn't do that. But the Bissell does do a better job. Obviously it's like a high powered machine. But here is the difference. So hilarious. Okay. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share. Welcome to the family.